Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to MJ Farm Base again. Um, Today we'll be talking about cassava production. All you need to know about cassava production. Did you go to some other farm before coming here? No. So just in the morning you people came here. Why this week you people don't have work? You don't have work. Your master, you people don't have new contracts. So why didn't you people go? You are becoming stubborn. Welcome back to our channel. This is MJ Fanbase again. Let me go straight to the point. The previous video we did, and I was explaining about how some people are using their fellow brothers to make money, which is a modern day slavery. So after communicating with the guys, I waited for them for some time, and they came. And after communicating with them, I think when they went home, the questions I've asked them rang a lot of bells in their mind. So later on the following day, they came knocking my door in the morning, explaining that if I have any work, I shouldn't pass it through their master, who they earlier on explained to me they work for. And I asked them why, and they said they decided to take jobs on their own. So from there, I engaged them. So I took them to this very farm, and they did a very good job for me, and I really appreciated what they did for us. And so that is the later development in this issue. So if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, go and watch the other video. I'll be linking it in this very video, so that when you see, you go there and see how the whole conversation started and how we went about it. I'll be doing another video to explain all the exact details they told me before they quit with their so-called master. So let's get into this video. What this video is about our cassava farm, what you need to know about cassava farming, and the rest. What you see in your shot is cassava or cassava plants. It takes about 10 to 1 year for cassava to mature, to full maturity. But there are some varieties which mature about 6 months time to 7 months. So depending on the variety and what the cassava will be used for, and there are some developed cassava sticks which some companies have introduced into the system due to what they are using it for. So let's get into it. In this very farm, we bought cassava stick for about 1,000 Ghana from the farmers nearby, and we went there with motor, the tricycle motor to pick it. That one comes with another additional cost of about 200 cedis, because all the cassava sticks were not at the same locations. They were at different places, so we need to organize it before we get it to this place. The plowing of the land took us about they collected 500 cedi for plowing of 1 acre. So in this cassava farm that you are seeing is a 2 acre cassava farm, and after plowing, so now 500 per acre and 200 for transportation. The cassava stick is 1,000, so 1,700. Now that the boys are coming to weed for us, we will be paying 500 cedis for the weeding, so roughly 2,300. So it's going to take additional maybe 3-4 months before we do the weeding again. By then we'll be doing control weedicide spray, so that we'll control the weeds, and maybe we will not engage any other labor to reduce the cost of production in this very farm. So let me run you through. First, choose a cassava variety that you would like to plant. More to that, some people are using it for cassava dough, some people are using it for curry, and some people are also using it for just normal fufu. And there are other cassava foods which they prepare. Some people use it for biscuits, depending on what you want to use it for. If you are going into this cassava farm, that is what I will explain to you. So in this video, I'm giving you all the details you need to know. Techniques in this thing. The very white one, when you uproot the cassava and after peeling off the brownish this thing cover from it, when you see the second layer of cover on the cassava, if it's red, most market women like buying the red one for fufu or something like that. So they believe those ones are the ones that when you cook, they get well cooked. There are some cassava sticks or there are some cassavas when you cook them, they harden up and they don't do well. So this is the trick after asking some of the farm folks around what we need to look out for in the type of cassava we should plant and others like that. So from their experience, we questioned them, interviewed them, weighed the options, and then we decided to plant the one we have chosen. Even though I don't really know the names of all the cassava sticks, but it's a good variety. I think the name varies from a location to location because the same cassava stick, the way they call it somewhere in the eastern region will have a different name. The same cassava stick will have a different name in the VOLTA region. So mind you, location plays a lot of a part in the naming of the cassava stick. So sometimes it gets a little bit confusing. So yeah, that is it. This cassava plants were planted in December. Yes, November, December. So if I'm right, it's about 3 to 4 months now. Yes, 3 to 4 months now. And this cassava says they mature around 10 months to 12 months. This very cassava plant, they are mature around 10 months to 12 months. So we are looking to do similar thing. Yes, but at first get the market, see the type of people engaging into this, ask them a few questions so that you'll be able to gather all the information you need to know before venturing into this. Yes, it I from experience they are explaining that it's lucrative and this is our first time of trying it and we will see if truly this is a lucrative business and we will scale it up when truly we find out that this is actually lucrative. So follow us on this farm journey and subscribe to our channel as we go along and we share all the informations around cassava and stay tuned. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so so that anytime we post our videos, you will be notified and you'll be able to get all the information.
Let me go over it again. For the plowing, it costs us about 1,000 because 500 for an acre, and for transport, we already have a tricycle which the people riding it will take it there, and that is the charge they gave us for all the other logistics, which is 200. We paid for tricycle for transporting it. The cost involved was around 200 cedis. The person that will be planting the cassava, when they plant 10 by 10, is 30 cedi in this area. So, which means 1 acre is approximately 10. So, prepare for around 600 cedis for the person to plant 2 acres. But if it's an acre, 300 cedis. From there, we go to, now that the farm is bushy, they need to weed it for about 3 months time, or from planting it grows weeds, and we need to clear it for the plant to flourish. So we paid this thing for, so per acre we pay 450, and the farm hands, you need to give them food, so approximately 600 cedis, you prepare food for them, and some people will not be able to finish the job on that very same day, so some they will go back the second day again. So make provision for food for them, maybe 120 cedi, 150 cedi for the 2 days, and you'll be good to go. From there, when the plant is about 6 to 7 months, again the weeds will start growing, and not even 6 months, maybe 2 months from now, depending on how the rain pattern is. So if the rain is more, the likelihood of the grasses growing are more. So for an acre, one insecticide container can control an acre. And interview done with the experienced farmers here, they use a chemical called gramazole, which they use to do the weedicide spray, because it doesn't kill the weeds or to the root, which is it's just it's not a systemic, it's a contact based weedicide. So that is it. Those are the informations you need to know. And availability of market. You first look for market before you go into the production of the cassava, or or you can even start, and when it's not yet matured, you go around telling people you have cassava, or you sell it on social media, whichever way that is comfortable for you to do so. So in a nutshell, this is the basic information you need to know about cassava farming. If you want to branch into gari processing and other biscuits or this thing, that one is a different aspect of agribusiness. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and we'll bring you more informative videos to share our experience that we are having here. And anybody willing to replicate same size of farm that we are doing, or even expand it more. Yes, for the buyers, there are a lot of buyers around in the community in which you are producing the cassava. You can ask the market women who are selling, or the buyers who are interested in buying. There are a lot of people within the communities which they also buy and go and sell. But if you think you want to go the extra mile and extract almost every profit along the production chain, you are allowed to do so. So I learned there are some companies who also buy some, but I think they buy from 1 ton and above. So which means not you can't go and sell 10 by 10 to them. So that one is a little bit of a large production. So if you have the capacity to do so, feel free to join the business. So this is the information you need to know. So roughly the cost, I've already said every information you need to know about it. Go and rewatch this video again and again, and understand all the information put out there here. There are these grasshoppers hanging all around the cassava leaves, but I think they feed on it, but they are not heavy feeders, so you will not really see the damage as such, because most of our neighbor farmers, they don't spray insecticide or fertilizer or something here on their farm. So that is another information you need to know. So depending on where you are doing the production, or what you want to, the intended purpose of the cassava you are producing. Here, the people don't apply any fertilizer, but they still thrive and they do well in every aspect. And sometimes when you see it, they look so big to the extent that you even be thinking they've applied something to it. But most of them are all natural. If you've not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so, so that anytime we post such informative videos here on the internet, you'll be able to see it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me